right, so today let's talk about another element on the periodic table. So what are we going to talk about today? Let's talk about argon. I had a really good joke about argon, or a good chemistry joke, but all the good ones are argon. Yeah, that's a bad joke. So what is argon? So argon here is atomic number 18, and its chemical symbol is Ar. Here's the electron configuration right here. And so its melting temperature, let's see, the melting temperature is right down here. Let's see here. So the melting temperature is over here, 189.34, that's on the bottom. And then the boiling temperature is 185.85. And so then this is the crystal structure. And also up on the top here, that's its atomic mass, right? And so argon is basically, argon 40 is the most abundant isotope in the atmosphere. But there's other forms of argon. I think argon 36 is actually the most abundant in the universe as a whole. Argon is actually available in the atmosphere. And so in the atmosphere, it's actually about 0.934% of the Earth's atmosphere. So, our atmosphere is mostly nitrogen and oxygen, but argon is the third most abundant gas. Now, I actually know that because this past weekend, they asked that as a trivia question. Hey, I won free beer for it. So that's cool. So I kind of like that. Sometimes your chemistry knowledge wins free beer, which is kind of nice as well. So there's argon for you. Now, argon was originally discovered in 1894, so we knew about it for a while. Lord Rayleigh and Sir William Ramsay in University College London, they actually took everything out of air and isolated argon from pure air. So that's how they kind of got that. It is a inert gas. It's one of the noble gases, so it generally doesn't react with anything. That doesn't mean it's not without uses. There's actually a lot of uses in medicine and in cryogenic gases, and it's also fairly useful in gas arc metal welding and a couple other things, arc welding as well too. And it's useful in the laboratory, especially when nitrogen is not inert enough. So we can use argon there as well. So there's argon, right? There's another version of argon.